Hey guys, it's Kim. If you are on a weight loss journey or considering going on a weight loss journey, please feel free to subscribe, because I will be taking you guys along with me through my journey. All the ups and downs, baby, you'll be there. So please feel free to hit that subscribe button. I appreciate it. Leave comments. Let me know what you guys are doing and how you guys are doing it. Hi guys, it's Kim and I'm back with a keto update for you guys. I started my keto journey on January 13th, 2020, and today is January 25th. I will link the week one update right here, but basically I started at 198.2 and I ended the first week at 190. Guys, I completely understand that the first eight, because I lost 8.2 pounds in the first 5 days. I understand that majority of that was water weight, but I don't care. Water weight, I'm good with losing it. So she was happy. I stepped on the scale. I'm like, okay. So I was happy. I was out here living my best life. I came, sat down, told you guys about the 8.2 weight loss. Now I was happy. I was good. Then this week happened. So I started the week ready and excited for it. And then I meal prepped. Keep in mind that I do intermittent fasting with my keto diet as well. So I fast for 20 hours and I eat for 4. So the first Monday and Tuesday were really well because I meal prepped for those 2 days. On Sunday, I'll link that video right here as well. And I had those meals, so I was ready, I was happy, and I stick to my macros. Wednesdays when it kind of all went to hell. Wednesday I have work in school from 9 to 9 p.m. So it was just a long day and I did meal prep and I was super hungry. I was snapping at people and I was just ready for the day to end so I could just get something to eat. But then when I left class at 9 p.m. and I was in my car, I'm like, there's no way I'm gonna go home and cook. So I ended up stopping at a grocery store and picking up a rotisserie chicken breast. I was gonna get 2, but I realized that they were really big, so I ended up just getting 1. And when I tell you, I came home and me and that chicken leg we went to town. Like I went to town on it. Grabbed my hot sauce and I devoured it. By the time I blinked, all I saw was bones. And then I went to bed happy as hell. So that was my Wednesday. So it wasn't too bad. I just mad because I didn't eat enough. I didn't get my vegetables in. I didn't that was just a bad day in my opinion. But I thought that was a bad day until I met Thursday. Thursday, we're just gonna act like it didn't even happen because I want to put it out of my mind. So I decided to go see Bad Boys and at the movies, which was such a good movie. You guys should definitely, hands down, go see that movie. Best movie I've seen in the past year. So I went to go see that movie. It was so much fun. And I came back to my house with my friend and we decided to order wings. Mind you, I can have wings on the keto diet, but I can't have sides. But with this meal, it said comes with fries. So I got the fries and I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I ended up eating it and I regretted it instantly. The moment I was done eating, I literally had a conversation in my head where I was like, girl, like you keep telling yourself that you want to lose weight, but you keep doing stuff like this. This is what I'm like, this is the conversation I'm having with myself. I'm so upset. I'm like, no, like it might not be a big deal in hindsight, but it's a big deal to me because this is where I start. I start slipping and giving myself 1 meal, then it turns to 2, and then all of a sudden, keto hoop. So I decided, I'm like, no, like I'm gonna start my fasting right now. We're gonna get this together. So I started my fasting again, and we went like Friday went really well. I ate within my macros. I still didn't get get in as much food as I was supposed to, but I ate a lot. So fast forward to this morning, the 25th, when I want to do a check-in every Saturday. So rain, shine, or snow, I will be here every Saturday just to give you guys a sense of what happened last week and what I ate and how I found it. So this morning I woke up and I was so scared to step on that scale because in the past, the diets that I've had, even if you walk past and smell the food, you gain 10 pounds. And I'm like, I even lose 10 pounds on this diet. How am I gaining 10 pounds? Like that's my experience with diets in the past. So I was so scared. I woke up really early and I was just laying in bed and I was like, I'm not weighing myself. I'm not weighing myself. I'm not weighing myself. But I'm like, no, I'm gonna keep to this. I'm like, I want people to hold me accountable. So when you see me slipping, hit me up in the comments and go off. Be respectful, but go off. And I was in bed and I got a call from my dad. And shout out to him. I'm gonna insert a video of him right here.
Yeah, my name is Santi. And my video is I want to get slim.
I'm an insert. He's such a blessed soul. But he called me and he's just like, oh, how comes I don't hear YouTube going on? Because I record my video every Saturday. He's like, how comes I don't hear the YouTube going on? I'm like, yeah, I'm gonna get up and do it. So I end up getting up and weighing myself, and baby, ha, she's skinny. I'm kidding. I'm not skinny by any definition of that word. But I ended up weighing myself, and I weighed in this morning at 186.8, and I'm over the freaking moon. That means I lost a total of 3.2 pounds this week. I will insert the video of me weighing myself in right here. That's 3.2 pounds, and I'm so freaking excited. I really went into this week hoping and praying that I would lose a minimum of 1 pound, a pound to 3 pounds. That was my goal. I really wanted those. So the fact that I stepped in, even though I messed up, I'm still on track, and I still lost a total of 3.2 pounds, made me so happy. And it solidified the fact that the keto diet is for me. I've done it in the past and it worked really well, but this time I'm really serious about it. So it was just happy. It made me happy knowing that that didn't throw me off that much, because in the past you eat one meal and it's so hard. It's so hard to jump back on it. So that made me really happy. So that means since I've started a diet on the 13th, which has been 12 to 13 days since I've been on it, I've lost a total of 11.4 pounds, and I am happy. I'm going to give myself a round of applause because I quit my diets really, really easily. So the fact that I'm sticking on this, 165, catch me outside. Period. I'm getting to 165 regardless. I'm looking at my phone because my fasting just ended, but yeah, 165, here I come. Watch out. I'm ready. I'm so ready. I'm so amped. I'm so excited for this journey. And so, with that being said, like, that's all I really had to talk to you guys about for this week. I'm down 11.4 pounds the first 13 to 12 days on keto intermittent, and I'm excited to see what will come of the rest of the 30 days that I'm doing a challenge with my friends. I'm really excited to see what's going to come. But in terms of my YouTube, I'll be doing this thing where I'm going to be keto-fying a lot of Jamaican meals. I'm Jamaican and I love my Jamaican food, so I'm going to be making keto Jamaican dishes, and that will be posted every Wednesday. This Wednesday, you'll be seeing curry chicken, and I'm going to make keto salads. I'm super excited because those are meals that I genuinely enjoy, and I hope you guys will try it and enjoy it as well. I want to do what I eat in a day, but I will have to do that on a day that I'm home, because that's the only day I eat 2 meals per day. Yeah, I think that's all I have for you guys today. Just keep watching. Please subscribe, 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 because I will not be letting up. I'll be going I'll be going until I get to my goal, and I'm gonna still continue going after that. So I hope you guys will support. If you are on a weight loss journey, join me, because we can do this together. It's a lot more fun. It's a lot easier when you have people to do it with you. So I'm here. You guys can leave me messages. You guys can follow me on my Instagram page at Keto Kimmy. It's the same as my YouTube name. So you guys can follow me there and send me messages. That would be greatly appreciated. And until next time, guys, honestly, stay fit, stay healthy, and stay beautiful. And I'm saying that because a lot of times I feel like I don't feel my best and I don't feel my most beautiful. So I'm here to tell you guys that even if you don't see it, you are beautiful. And it takes you just sticking to your guns and getting to your goal. If that's what makes you feel best, and not what makes you feel best, but you are beautiful now and forever. And that's on period. I'm kidding. That's so ugly. My baby cousin gonna kill me for leaving this in there. But again, guys, until next time, stay fit, stay healthy, and stay beautiful.